Welcome back, everybody. Breaking news here. Two-time Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson-herah confirms departure from MVP. We've been hearing the rumors for about a month now, but now it is finally confirmed after she initially denied it in the press. All right. It says the fastest woman alive, Elaine Thompson-herah, has now confirmed her departure from MVP and has revealed that she is yet to assemble her team for the 2021-2022 track season. That includes the World Championship at the Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, next summer. All right. Following an outstanding season in which she won 3 gold medals at the Olympics and created history by becoming the first woman in the 100 and 200 titles to win the 100 and 200 titles at consecutive Olympic Games 2016 and 2021. News emerged that Thompson-herah and NVB coach Stephen Francis were going their separate ways. All right. However, Thompson-herah rubbished these reports while speaking with Mike Holly and Mike Smith on the NBC Sports show Brother from Another in September. All right. I remember seeing that show, and she was like, "No, it's not happening. It's rumors." Kind of killed the story a bit. Nobody was talking about it, but now here we are again. Out of nowhere, Elaine has packed her bags and has told Stephen she's leaving. All right, I'm leaving, Stephen. All right. Over on Monday night, hours after she conferred with the Order of Distinction Commander class by the Jamaica government, the woman who ran 10.54 on August 21st, the fastest time run by a woman in more than 30 years, Thompson-herah came clean. While preseason training has already commenced for Elaine Thompson-herah, she's still in the process of finalizing her training arrangements for the 2022 season. A statement from her handlers stated. Who's her handlers? Oh no. The double Olympic champion is considering all options available concerning her team. The statement continued. In the light of abundance of requests from my fans and concerned Jamaicans, I want to assure everyone that I have begun my training independently and will continue to do so while I finalize all aspects of my team for the coming season. The athlete is quoted saying, all right, I want to thank everyone for their support and express their appreciation to those who have reached out in concern. I remain committed to representing my country, to lead with courage and grace, as I am aware that I inspire young women across the world who have dreams and who dare to see those dreams come to pass. Very true. We can't deny that Elaine has a talent. The only thing that is concerning me right now is who is going to train her. A coach is very important, key to success. We can see that with good example is Usain Bolt's career, or you can even look back at Johan Blake after leaving Glen Mills. You know what I mean? Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. This is big breaking news. I wonder if Nike is next. I wonder if we're going to hear that she's switching sponsors next. Because this might have something to do with the trainer as well as the sponsor of NPP, which is Nike. All right. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you for watching and supporting the channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Please subscribe and help us grow. All right. Thanks a million.